truck.
Got it, sir. God bless you.
2001 Lincoln LS Sports. MG Midget. Grand Prix. 65 Mustang GT. Oh, excuse me. No, you're fine. 65 Mustang. Another 65 Mustang 302. Ford Impala with LS motor. Big truck. Don't know what it is. Big truck though. Cobra. There's guitar. Another real deal. Mustang Cobra. Mach 1. My bad. Another Pontiac Grand Prix. Love these cars from back in the day. Corvette. 79 C3. 95 Jeep Wrangler SE. Ford truck with everything on it. Still one of my favorite cars. Chevy truck. Another Chevy truck. My favorite Chevy truck here. Long wheelbase. Radical. '55 Chevy truck. 72 Nova. Beautiful paint. Beautiful paint.
How many cylinders is this?
2017 Chevy SS with a whistle blower. Woohoo! Stand down like Big Dave. Corvette. You know what I want? This caddy reminds me of my cousin Perry. Pontiac 342 T37. C6 Corvette. Drives Daytona with an Emmy. Lowrider truck. With flashing lights. S10 with a big blower. Huge motor. SS Chevelle 454. One of the most expensive cars here. Mustang GT 500. With a blower. Challenger with a Hemi. Mustang. See it all shows. Beautiful car. Mustang convertible. 289. Big car. Mustang Cobra. 5 liter. Jeep. Dark Knight. King Park. Camaro. Grand Rapido. Corvette ride. Got a motor in it. American Graffiti. Corvettes. Barracuda. My favorite old Ford truck here.
I don't like it.
Hopper. GTR. Nice. One of my favorites here. Another one of my favorites here. Drive the Dirty Sanchez. Catalina. Super nice. Camaro. I guess this is Spider-Man. Jeep. Super nice Dodge. 28. 2-barrel carburetor. Best vintage in my book. Some Mustangs. If you like Mustangs. Ford Lightning. The 31 Hemi. Super nice. 57 Chevy. Super duper clean. One of the best here. '68 Camaro. This is a 2001 Dodge Wrangle Hellcat. Supercharged. Small block Chevy and a Ford. Only way they can go fast, I guess. My neck. Well, final top. Only way they should be made. Not sure what it is. Like it. Love this. I would make it my daily driver if I had it right now. And this. Small block Chevy. '62 Nova. Small block. Like this. Spoke wheels. Small block Chevy. That head forward. Got a little patina going on. Air conditioning. One way to go. Of course, we see all around Christmas now. We do got one for real. Business sedan. Chevrolet. Nice bigger truck. Ford little 10. Inside the way they put it look. 3 on the 3. Hell yeah. Volkswagen van. Over this year. And trophy carrying truck. Ford. Inline 6. Beautiful truck. Trophies waiting to be handed out. There's a